How many times have you fallen into sin, felt ashamed, and promised yourself, I will never do this again, only to slip back into the same mistake? We all know this feeling, the guilt, the regret, the endless cycle. But here's the beautiful truth. Allah's mercy is limitless. No matter how many times we fall, Allah never tires of forgiving us, even if we get tired of asking for His forgiveness. The Prophet said, "By Him in whose hand is my soul, if you did not sin, Allah would replace you with a people who would sin and seek forgiveness from Him, and He would forgive them." Sahih Muslim. Subhanallah. This hadith is not telling us to sin freely. No, it is a powerful reminder that perfection is not in never sinning. It's in always turning back to Allah. And when we do that, when we sincerely ask, Ya Allah, forgive me, something incredible happens. Allah doesn't just forgive us, He elevates us. He opens doors of blessings we never even imagined. In the Quran, Allah says, ask forgiveness of your Lord. Indeed, He is ever a perpetual forgiver. He will send rain from the sky upon you in continuing showers, and give you increase in wealth and children, and provide for you gardens and rivers. Surah Nuh 71:10-12. Rain is more than just water. It is a sign of life, growth, and provision. When the earth flourishes, livelihoods flourish. Wealth circulates, jobs are created, and Allah connects seeking forgiveness, Istighfar, with the opening of Rizq, sustenance. Think about it. Some of us say, I don't need rain, I need money. But that's short-sighted thinking. Rain nourishes crops fuel economies, economies create jobs, and wealth is distributed. Allah, the All-Knowing, understands what we need better than we do. But here's the key. Istighfar is not just about saying Astaghfirullah, it's about truly turning back to Allah. It's about recognizing I am weak, but You are strong. I have sinned, but You are the most forgiving. I am in need, but You are the provider. When we make istighfar a habit, Allah responds. He opens doors we never imagined. So here's your challenge. Make istighfar part of your daily routine. Say Astaghfirullah 100 times a day. Wake up in the last third of the night and pour your heart out to Allah. Seek forgiveness with humility and hope. And when you do this consistently, you will see your life transform, not just in wealth, but in peace, barakah, and spiritual fulfillment. Allah promises in the Quran, whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he does not expect. And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. Surah At-Talaq 65, verse 2-3. So don't let shame hold you back. Don't let guilt stop you from seeking Allah's mercy. What's one thing you're asking Allah's forgiveness for today? May Allah make us among those who constantly seek His forgiveness, and may He shower His mercy and blessings upon us all.